Yo, Tyler. Also, yesterday I posted a video from Lou. It's not Lou's video. He took it from someone else, but it lays out like the whole thing I was trying to explain about the synthetics and the 500 real shares and the brokers knowing where those 500 mil real shares are, so they can control the price action. It's from the whole overstock thing, like the whole reason this movement started.
Oh, back in the old days.
The old days.
Yeah, like 2008, 2007.
Yeah.
I get what they're talking about. I get it.
Back in my time, back when Jeezy was in the hood.
Like it's just a big like.
Oh my god. Good old tunes.
Big, like Ponzi scheme, you know? They just pocket our money, sell us synthetics.
You'd love to see it.
Knowing that they can control the price action. And it's not all the fucking brokers doing it, but if you have one decent sized broker that does that shit, it affects the whole entire market.
Oh yeah. But I mean, yeah. I mean, they can make money off it. You know, why not? You know, it's like selling covered calls. It's like here.
Well, I mean, that's exactly what they're doing, just without shares.
Fidelity, with the
selling
AMC
puts,
short.
calls, and shares, and not having them.
Some
they're gonna come out on top.
I got some email from it's the stock Futo Futu. Futu. You ever heard? Alex has probably heard of them. No.
Yeah.
No. It's a. I mean, it's a large cap stock. I could not pump them. But they're basically, I guess they're like an E-Trade or something. I need to look into them because they don't do payment for order flow, and yeah, they were trying to get me to use their shit. Pretty.
Cool if we could get a brokerage through the IDEX, like.
Yeah, I need to look into it. And actually, like, it was funny because I think someone made a video like going over like they like asking their broker if they use payment for order flow, and like the customer support could not help at all, and like they could like they could not answer the question. And then I was just like, I sent an email to the people. I was like, do y'all use payment for order flow? Like, what what are the rates on for options and shit like that? On paper, it sounds good, but I feel like everyone sounds good on paper. So I have to like fucking ship money over there and try it. Really, only thing I care about, the UI looks really good though. The UI I hate the UI. I mean, E-Trade's okay. It's not terrible. It's not bad. I like
check it out, dude. If you fucking think it's decent, and they're not fucking shady pieces of shit.
I cannot believe E-Trade does not.
Does
E-Trade? I honestly have no idea if E-Trade uses a.
No.
Oh yeah, so someone just told me in the chat. They just said it's not bad. You can trade. Oh, you can trade in China and Hong Kong hours too. Holy shit, that's pretty badass.
IWM's looking fucking hot.
Dude, I think we're gonna hit that weekly.
Where's the weekly at? Like 228?
464 for SPY.
Yeah, SPY. For weekly on IWM is 226.25.
Shit, dude, I should have held my 224 calls for the third. I fucking got out of them first thing this morning.
That's funny.
There we go.
I'm like almost done fucking playing calls on AMC. I'm just gonna play the fucking IWM.
I think
Nasdaq.
Nasdaq's just flagging. Looks good. QQQ looks pretty good. QQQ's right underneath the monthly. Where's that?
Options are too rigged on AMC.
You're too rigged, man. Yeah. Well, even those. Okay, so I was looking at the Marches because people keep asking me like, when you get back in the Marches, when you get back in the Marches, they're just gonna ask me every single day. I think, even like give an answer. I'm just like, once it mounts to monthly, I think or whatever. Like, it's kind of been the trend.
Yeah, because they get scared. If you sell, they think like the fucking whole it's over. You know?
I mean, because I'm just like I have the stream going up too right now, but if you just like look at like just the trend it's doing right now, right? So you get these like you come down since we got knocked off, right? You get a flag, rejected. You're just flagging, rejected, flagging.
Yeah, it makes the J
Rejected.
patterns.
It's just back and forth, flag down, flag down. So I'm just waiting till like we break that trend and start mounting a support again. That's all you gotta do. Till then, just stay out of options.
Yeah, wait until it actually like breaks out, and, like starts running.
I mean, I doubt you just rocket fuel one day, like straight like out of the open. Just like usually you get some slow movement and then you rocket up. But even if you do, like let's say you rocket up like $5 in one day and just buy some long data calls.
I'm just afraid they're gonna pull some bullshit, Tyler, and they're not gonna let people buy options.
I mean, maybe.
My feeling is when they send this thing up.
This looks. I mean, looking at this short term, it looks bad right now. Like it looks like it's gonna continue going down.
Oh yeah.
100%. So
it's
it's like you're triple. You already double topped on the monthly this morning. Ugh, the new monthly, gross.
There's a fuckload of puts for like below 34. I mean, there's a shit ton at $30 flat.
My wallet's in my door. I don't know why you.
What's up?
Getting a coffee. Yeah, I'm on stream. Man, we need to listen to music. Let's get demonetized.
Come on, Hood.
Tell me what you got yesterday. Yeah, it was good. It was good. I'm feeling white. Feeling white, and I'm feeling like a woman. We're playing. That's what we're playing. We're playing. I feel like a woman. I feel good.
Yeah.
Okay, straight. We're back, boys. We're back. Thank God we didn't hold those fiskers. Those fiskers went to the mean.
Yeah.
Oh yes, about
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh my! Look at Fisker! Oh my God! Look at it, Alex. I gotta turn Drake down. That's a discount double top, boys. Aaron Rodgers. That's gorgeous. Oh my God! I gotta grab them. Right? That's a put city right there, right? Oh my God! Double top. That's a discount double. That's right. Am I crazy? There's no way.
Who knows?
Bro, that's a discount double.
Oh, look. 45 minutes not done yet, bro. 30 minutes left.
God, look at that 1 hour chart about to cross on Mac Dizzles. Ugh. 4 hour. Ugh. Gross. Mama don't know.
Yeah. The 1 and the 5.
And you got Dow. Look, and Dow's with a touch weekly. You're gonna get rejected there.
Oh yeah, 4 hour crossing.
Alright.
Someone said GoPro. GoPro. I traded GoPro like one time. Never again. Wow, you actually had a heat run.
Come on,
GoPro. Who'd have thought? Tilray? Actually, I do like Tilray. It's like so due for a pump. 100%. That shit's so due for a pump. It's at $10 right now. Man. Yeah. Cannabis hasn't ran in a while. Tilray, yeah.
Run at the same time, in my opinion.
What'd you say?
I think Tilray and
Rivian actually looks good, and I hate that stuff. Rivian looks really good. I think these are just
Sundial looks the same.
I probably wouldn't get into Tilray till it gets above the 50 range.
What do you do with PayPal reversal play? I think PayPal actually isn't a bad play. I kind of was saying PayPal at the beginning of the week. Problem is, weekly went to poo-poo. I think PayPal is not a bad play. I think PayPal Square are pretty decent.
Dump Hood.
Dude,
Dump.
I don't know where the point is where I'm gonna push so much money into Hood. I've been thinking about it. I don't know if you guys ever y'all ever I don't dream about any stocks or anything like that, but I'll wake up and I'll just think about a stock, and I'll just be like,
after today, I think
when do I have to get into them? Often. I think I do this often.
I think it'll be good after today, after the lockup's done.
Oh yeah, lockup is.
Nasdaq's good.
AMC needs to bounce right here.
After everyone sells their shares and it settles down.
Or it's not gonna be good.
Those.
And broke it, but it didn't stay.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It was a good song. Turn this bad boy up, boys. Get that vibe going.
see what Pal has to say. He's talking.
You talking right now?
Yeah.
Picked up GGPI 15s for January 21st.
GGP or
GGPI.
GE? GE.
Can't you understand me, Sonny?
Look at GE. Holy shit. That's hot. Energy. That's a really good I need a mic. Man, what's the...
Would you like some balls with that?
Oh. Do your balls even work anymore, Tunes? Come on, you're like 95 years old. Don't be coming in here with heat. You know.
Please do come here with heat. It's funny.
All the heat.
I don't like when I troll someone and they get really quiet. It makes me like, unless like I purposely.
Oh, don't worry. You don't hurt my feelings.
Dude, I think, oh my god, I think Fisker is like so trash right now. That is gorgeous. Adobe was such a buy this morning too for a while. That dip you had it open, gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Yeah, like 63, I was watching it. Apple, like, just keep going. Look at that. Stop it and stuff.
I'm going all in on Tesla right now.
Tesla, Apple, and then like one other stock were like the only major green plays yesterday.
Someone in chat goes, AMC is following the same fractals. Bro, I'm not totally against the fractals, but at some point you gotta say it's a little bit invalidated.
Yeah, no, there's so
Bam
many
said
like,
it's
oh, but if
August.
he does this, then...
It's just kind of like crazy. It's like, I thought we were supposed to run in September with the fractals. Now it's like, oh,
Bam said it's August 329th.
Fucking damn. I can't tell how the indexes are moving right now. It's weird.
We did run in September though, didn't we?
Yeah, SPY almost looks like it's
No, we did. Yeah, you did get a push up in September. I made a lot of money actually on those calls there.
Yeah, we just
But
didn't.
yeah, but they were
we
saying
stopped
like
us
we were
from
getting
squeezing.
them. There was no
but
reason.
yeah.
There's no reason to squeeze in September.
There was a decent amount of calls, and yeah, I get that, like, yeah, there's not like the open interest that there is in January, bro, but the whole thing is just completely manipulated, so you can't like blame anyone. When it breaks a giant like bull flag, it should fucking squeeze. It should have squeezed a year ago or 3 years ago.
AMC looks like we're gonna roll over here.
It's fucking manipulated. Like a bunch of shit is.
AMKR went off today. Oh my god.
What about the Merck news? Merck finally got there.
Merck,
doesn't even
I
move.
told you yesterday it was pretty solid at 74. I mean, that's it. He just bottomed out. Man, I got to like 950 last night on blackjack, and I couldn't get over 1,000. I was like playing for so long. I could go down to 800, get back, and I was like, fuck this, dude. 100 bet, one on one. Yeah, I fucking lost. I'm going to bed. So I lost. It's 7:05. I played a little bit of that crazy time shit. Is that kid with the straw? Is that kid with the straw or no? It sounded just like him. Oh, it's not even him. Fuck. My bad.
AMC is about to fall off a cliff, boys.
Oh, look at
Yeah, I'm gonna grab.
It's gotta bounce right here.
Yeah, it is a bear flag. That is a big one.
Salesforce. CRM.
Yeah,
That shit looks like it's gonna fucking
they all fell
dump
off.
again.
What were their earnings?
Yeah, they had better earnings.
No, they beat on EPS. They beat on EPS, and they slightly beat on revenue.
Ew.
Barely.
Really? I heard that they tanked on
At least
earnings.
TradingView kind of fucks us up sometimes. I also would like a broker that provided their earnings a lot cleaner. Like, it was just right there. Like I feel like there's so much room for like Robinhood and like Webull, like the ones that are directly for like retail people, to be so good. And they're super simple ideas, but they just don't implement them. So frustrating. Like E-Trade, I understand why they don't do some of this stuff. It's all like it's totally different target audience. So total different. But some of these like.
Tell me when GGPI goes to the moon.
Dude, it does look good, man. That thing looks. It looks like it wants to go so. It's holding that bottom at like 1326 so well. 1320s. Kind of. I just fear for what if like they come up about this pulsar shit and nothing. Like, no
That's because you're a fucking girl.
Oh my god. You're lucky you served in Nam, man. Fuck. I respect my elders.
In Nam, really, bro? Golly.
Oh no, you're trolling him, bro. Hey, you think if QQQs break, the SPY breaks too, or no?
Yeah. Well, I think SPYs have been falling down more, but I think they'll just follow down together.
Yeah, they're all rolling.
Oh, we don't roll here, man.
Rolling.
You're trending down. I'm sorry.
What are we looking at?
Nah, the 15-minute on SPY. Hella bullish, but it has some.
Yeah, Nasdaq and them, they're really about to contest their monthlies. Today's open. Apple looks crazy, man. It's insane. I really do think. I think Pfizer's gonna get in a crazy push going into those December 17th. It is. It's staying up here. Look at that double bottom. You had a 51.92. Alex, that thing's nuts. That thing is nutty. What a double bottom.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh.
All those options. There's no way they've covered. I really don't think they've covered those 50s unless they're gradually delta hedging right now as it dips, which is possible. But if those 55 start covering, oh my god! And I think you have to. I think you have to start covering those 55s next week. I think you have to.
Yeah, if they're trying to not fuck
You
themselves.
gotta start covering them. Oh, look at AMC breaking down here. Ugh.
Yep.
My loins are feeling good, boys. My loins are feeling good.
I closed some of my calls that just kind of limit the losses, but I am in puts.
I think my favorite trading song is
I grabbed some 33
Ninjas
puts
in
for
Paris.
AMC this week.
And then it'll
Come on, Spy. Don't.
What's Fisker? I'm gonna
Another
get depressed looking at this.
50% on autos.
Dude, I'm telling you, Fisker looks so bad. Oh my god.
Yeah, so that's what I was saying.
Gapville
If you
City.
start seeing the indexes roll.
Gapville
No,
fucking
okay.
city, bro. Oh my god. Shove a black dildo in that thing's butt because that thing's getting railed here in a little bit.
Nice. I love it.
Nice. Oh, that's just fucking funny. Let's look. Fisker. I'll do those weeklies once again. I'll do this. I just keep trading the
I
same ones.
might do that too. Alright.
The same ones I was doing yesterday. Dude, those were printing yesterday. You were going up like 50% like instantly. It was crazy. Open interest on the 21s are nice for the puts.
Yeah, they are.
That's what we do. 21. Ugh, they're kind of expensive. What?
Yeah.
Not paying that much. Crazy. I'm looking at Fisker puts. Like I'm like the 3. Yeah, look at that. It's breaking down already. Dang it!
The one down here, $20, 19 range. That gap right there.
Fuck.
I knew it. I should have entered earlier. So what happens?
Yeah, I was just waiting for the indexes to
I listened
confirm.
to you, no nipple titty bitches. Hey, you didn't even need the indexes. Look at that. That's golden. You got the. This is my favorite trade setup. You break through, you bear flag, rejected 3 times, boom, trash, dumpster fire.
Go.
And it was a monthly. That toilet. Did you buy some?
Yeah, I grabbed some.
Okay, you got a little bounce right now. Here we go. They're still too high. $1.28 for this week. That's insane. That is insane. That
Puts?
for puts. Oh, I'm on calls. I'm an idiot.
Yeah,
I'm an idiot.
It's like 28
They're-
cents.
No, 31 cents right now. For me.
Oh, I just wanted to kiss the 50 EMA on the 5 minute.
No, 50 MA is fake news. Oh yeah, you got index is rolling over too.
Yeah, I mean they did. SPY bounce off the monthly.
These are all fake, man. Don't think.
That's the only reason I've been winning what you mean.
That's fake, bro. Fake news. Fake indicators.
Yeet. I got a $22 call for this week.
What kind of index is that now? I think you're in a dip on indexes. Got lunchtime coming up right now too. Lunchtime. I need to call these brokers real quick. 1 second. Let me tell them they can go to lunch real quick.
Oh yeah.
I'm calling them right now.
30 minutes though.
There you
Yeah,
go.
just sell all your positions. Just sell them all.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting rid of more of my.
Close the positions. Close them all.
Look, we got
Yeah,
17
free
minutes
enter,
for the
Alex.
45 candle to finish.
There we
up.
go. Did you close your Fisker?
Nathan. Nah,
No,
I
AMC.
Oh.
I closed
Ooh.
some earlier. I should have
Ooh.
closed more.
Ooh. Turn this. Turn this up. We're demonetizing, boys. We do it right. We turn that shit all the way up.
Check it out now. I got you stuck off the realness.
Dude, Fisker looks so bad. Look at that. Oh my god. That's the ugliest looking thing in the world. It's just EV, so it's scaring the bejesus out of me. And Dow's bouncing hard.
Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these
so
streets,
much
cousin.
right now.
Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning.
Oh, yeah.
And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around, but they never come close to.
We'll come back. We'll come
I
back
can
to
see it
Fisker. We'll come
inside your face. You're in the wrong place. Cowards like you.
Airbnb is actually so cool. I can't believe they're staying up here like this 180 mark. Kind of crazy. They want to run so bad too.
You could put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee
That was
you
actually
it'll
all
be
things
your
considered with
very
this week.
last
That was
time breathing.
beautiful how
Your
they
simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major. You're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out. We call it featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Enough nigga deceased, another story is told. It ain't nothing really. And yo, done sparked the Philly,
Yeah,
so
the
I can
daily
get my
all the way
mind off
down.
these yellow back niggas. While they still alive, I don't know. Go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness and foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location when the slugs penetrate. Feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation now. Take these words home and think it through. Or the next rhyme I write might be about you.
Walmart. Look at Walmart.
This ain't no
What?
such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared
Dude,
to
that
love
thing
they
took
shook.
a
'Cause ain't
beating
no
this
such
week.
thing as halfway
Holy.
crooks. Scared to death and scared to live
Look at that monthly touch you have of October too. Oh my god, that is. What is up with that? Is there news? Everyone shops at Walmart. Well, I don't, but I'll let you to Target. Real ones know. Mills for life.
Oh no, bro, this is a fist.
Look at Best Buy. You think Walmart got beat up?
What do you say about Fisker? I'm telling you, that thing is like,
The dip before the rip.
dude, it's a bear
Look
flag.
at the 45. Look at the 45 minute though. It has a.
The 45. Who? I'm sorry, no one uses the 45-minute candle.
Bro, you gotta use all of them.
Hey. Oh, man.
Best Buy actually looks like it's at a good level. Right now.
Yeah, Best Buy had some news. I think it was about their earnings, but it's stupid because their earnings probably destroyed for Black Friday. Yeah, the EPS slightly beat. Dude, Target's kind of down there too right now, but I think Walmart's really beat up right now. Walmart is beat the fuck up. Coke is beat. Oh, look at Coke too.
Yeah, SPY looks like it's going.
Is it going?
Yup.
It's up like 2 points.
Yeah, but it's breaking that downward trend.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, bounce off the monthly.
Yeah, Dow.
Might be a
Dow's
fake
hot.
out.
Dow's hot.
Might
No,
be
it's not. It's Dow. It's a Dow. It's a Dow. It's a Dow. It's a Dow. Qs are struggling because of that monthly right there. That's what's holding those back.
I want to see if we double top though. Before I cut my puts. So fucking
Yeah,
strong.
Qs are starting to right now. Qs are gonna run to like 400.
Could get rejected.
I don't like that you're going to lunch right now. That's like terrifying. So. Like, longing into lunch is always like just never a good idea.
The daily's decent looking. There was a lot of selling pressure here though earlier. I guess that you look on the 30-minute, like
Qs look
shit
good.
broken the downward chain yet on the spot.
The Nasdaq looks really good. Just trying to break out here. You don't look bad. For sure. You don't look bad. We're playing some heaters. Playing some heaters this morning.
Listen, first the fat boys break up. Now every day I wake up, somebody got a problem with hoes. What's up, y'all niggas all fed up cause I got a little cheddar and my record's moving out the store. Young fuckers spitting at me, young rappers
Yeah,
getting
Nasdaq
at me.
is
My
moving.
nigga big predicted this shit exactly. More
Tyler,
money,
you should
more
for real
problems,
watch
gotta
that
move
video.
carefully. Cause faggots
Watch
hate
what?
when you getting money
That
like
video.
athletes.
One sec,
Now
one
these
sec.
ice drilling me. Oh, you not feeling me?
This is
Fine.
going.
Cost you nothing. Pay me no mind.
Oh, what the
I'm on
fuck?
my grind, cousin. Ain't got time for frontin'. Sensitive thugs, y'all all need hugs.
AG6,
Damn,
I hit a
little man,
price
I'm just
alert.
trying to do me. If the record's 2 mil, I'm just trying to move 3. Get a
Oh,
couple
it's
chicks, get 'em to
dumping
try to do
big
me.
time.
Hopefully,
What
they
is?
menage before I reach my
AGT.
garage. I don't want much, fuck, I drove every
Jump
car.
down.
Oh,
Some nice
yeah.
cooked food,
Index
some
food.
nice clean
Man.
draws.
They just got that murder
Balance
announcement
right here.
last night for Grab.
I still got my 1148.
Index is getting rejected.
Lucid's working too now.
Somebody got something to say. What's all the fucking fussing for? Because I'm
Man, GGPI, I'm really convinced that things are gonna go crazy. That is like, if you look at the channel that it's traded in, it looks like it's a bear flag where it's at, but in this crazy channel, like, man, that is nuts. They are so
I
strong.
see a giant fucking. But yeah, I see the channel.
Fucking, I think it's so strong, man. It's a bull flag too. So the bull flag is broken out sideways. This is gonna go up.
Yo, if it breaks this bull flag, someone please shout this shit out.
What?
The GGPI.
Spy's about to go right now. Fucking sexy. Those are probably calmed down to the options on. They were kind of moving shitty before.
What was?
GGPI when I had them earlier. Big better now.
Alright, Spy's about to hit the top of the channel. Like,
Fisker back above the monthly. Yeah.
Hey, what I say that?
It's not about. It's more about these indexes, in my opinion. That's all I'm watching. That's why I'm not entering. That's why I'm not entering anything right now. You have no.
What y'all doing?
You have no like direction right now. in my opinion. And indexes are like Spy is kind of double top, so that could be horrendous. Possibly.
yeah, like the only way you move on your own. Go ahead.
If you draw out the trend line for that bull flag on TradingView, you should be able to set the alert for
Yeah,
when
you
it
can.
breaks.
Yeah. He was saying you can set alerts on TradingView, so if you get like a bull flag, you can set it when you break out of that channel. It'll alert you.
Oh.
Pretty cool. cool.
You can do sharp rise too.
You can do stuff on TrendSpotter has a lot of options, but that's just so expensive. So like unless you're like dedicated to trading, and I just like there's wasn't. I've used TradingView too long to get off of it. Turn the music down.
I've never used
Take off, Leahy.
just TradingView.
Alright, what are we gonna do? Are they gonna let us run and then leave this fucking giant gap for later, or what?
Turn your hearing aids up. PFE looks really good.
Yeah, I'm watching it too.
What,
That's the
Pfizer?
thing with how much- Yeah, Pfizer.
Dude.
It's gonna pop off, dog.
Oh my god.
Look at it right now.
This is like too white for me.
Oh, Beauty looks so nice. I'm glad I bought it yesterday.
Is that the one in Lone?
That's pretty good. Not bad.
It's the one
Is
and
that
only.
the man himself?
It's SoFi.
Look,
IWM is about to
Hey,
break this.
Elon, I saw SoFi's chart on the daily. It looks like a big ass George W. No joke, dude. I was laughing my ass off this morning about it. I was like, what the fuck is that?
Bro, I love Chinese shit yesterday on Twitter.
what's Pfizer? Let's look at Pfizer's order flow on those contracts.
Fuck Pfizer.
It's doing it again. I
See
cannot
what
believe
Jim
it.
Kramer's bitch ass said yesterday?
What'd he say?
He said that the military should force vaccinate people pretty much. is what he
Wow. So on Pfizer for wait, they did it for December 7th? No. They did. Okay. So for the 17th, they added the 54.5s now too. The 50 the halfways. There's 74,000 open interest on the 55s. Is that insane? Holy shit. Those contracts are down today
said.
for Pfizer.
Sponsored by Pfizer.
Holy crap. That is insane. 74, and those have not been covered. 100%. They've not been covered. There's no way. So I think what they have done though, they've started covering those 50s for January 21st that we originally were trading. Have you seen that, Elon, or no?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Look at the January 21st open interest. That's getting insane. Those are the ones that people are buying though.
Oh.
Holy shit. Slap me in the ass and call me daddy, baby. Wow.
Hey, Junior, what's Fisker gonna do here?
Oh my god.
Huh? What's what?
I said, hey, Junior, what's Fisker gonna do here?
It's under view up. I don't know. It's just, it depends on these indexes. I wouldn't be in it though because it got above a monthly. Thought I was watching. Yeah, rejected one.
You wouldn't be in it because you don't have no balls.
Yeah.
Go slam you a White Claw and do your hair.
Relax.
They're doing still. Does their pill suck or something? Or
What is it?
they got their pill approval yesterday. And
Who,
they're not
Merck?
doing shit.
Merck?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Merck sucks ass. Pfizer to the moon.
Not enough people in the government worked for Merck. That's your problem.
Bro, I don't care who the fuck works in the government for them. As long as they make me money, I'll vote for them.
Pfizer's got
I'll vote them back in.
everybody and their mom. They're like the Goldman Sachs of the fucking pharmaceutical world.
Dude,
Why can't you
Pfizer.
short Pfizer?
Because they pay a dividend. The shorters would have to pay the dividend.
So if you want to short, if you
They're
were
not-
so,
they're not gonna short Pfizer, dude.
Yeah, they can't. They can't. That's why the stock's been stable.
That's
for so
their
long.
baby, bro. They're not gonna fucking short it. Pfizer runs the world, dog.
no, girls run the world, but yeah. According to
He
Beyonce.
ain't lying, bro.
According to Beyonce. Spy looks thicker than a bowl of oatmeal, baby.
Fucking demon's ass.
Damn, Jack, I'm scared for tomorrow, man. Today's good, so I don't know about.
I know, it's every other day. Like one day it's good, the next day's fucking horrendous.
Yesterday was fucking shit. I don't know what the fuck happened.
No, Powell said inflation isn't
Powell said
transitory.
bullshit?
He said it's not transitory anymore.
God.
It's isn't it two
He said
days?
that word is not allowed to be used anymore.
So
He's-
he
no-
said he shit the bed, basically.
No, what he so this is what was really said. If you really look at how he said it, and I couldn't, how he said it was almost worse than saying inflation isn't transitory. He looked around the room and said, "When are we gonna stop calling inflation transitory?" Like, and I was just like, and I was
Right,
like,
almost like it was casual talk or something.
yeah, and I was like, wait, what are you talking about? You're the only fucker in here calling it transitory. Like, I was like,
Well, he had to keep saying that.
So he got his job, yeah.
His job.
And dude, he got his job. That's hilarious that he got his job literally 2 days ago. Oh, that's 2 businesses.
Yeah, I was telling you, like,
Happy
as
Merry
soon
Christmas,
as he like secures the bag, he was being like, "All right, cool, I got it for another few years, and I can do whatever the fuck I want."
I was watching the movie The Holiday was on last night. You know, get in the Christmas spirit, of course. Who do you think's hotter, Kate Winslet or Cameron Diaz? That's a good question.
I just want to know what color panties you got on right now.
I mean, it wasn't my choice. I was watching it though. But then it led me to the next question of who's the hotter one.
Whenever I picture Cameron Diaz, I picture fucking with a bunch of cum.
Someone's
in her hair.
wait,
her hair
what?
sticking straight up.
What?
I don't know.
You've never seen a fucking
Oh, wait, time out. We're not discussing
something
that.
about Mary, bro.
That is, oh my god.
She did that in the movie, bro. She thinks it's hair gel. She grabs it off his ear.
Gross.
Puts it in her hair, and her hair is just sticking straight up. So every time I picture, that's the first image that comes to my mind.
That is
Your
disgusting.
bangs
Can we
sticking
not talk
straight
about
up in
that?
the air.
Oh my god. Everyone's saying Kate. That's funny.
Looking at pictures.
Way hotter. She's
yeah.
from Jerry Maguire, right?
Yeah, they're all saying Kate Winslet.
She's in Jerry Maguire, right?
Is she in? No, she's not in Jerry Maguire. She's in Titanic.
Titanic.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Totally
yeah,
different.
she's still
Same,
hotter.
different, but same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Fisker.
When
I know
Jack
it's going
draws
up.
her naked.
AMKR, look at AMKR. Holy, what's Nvidia and them doing? They look nutty.
Dude, Apple may break 170.
Bro, I got 800% on Apple calls, dude.
Good shit.
Jesus.
Roots hit the bed. I don't know. Thank God I don't have it.
Alright,
Oof.
I might get
Oh.
rejected here, guys.
Yes, but
It's still trying. But 464 flat is like the top of the fucking channel.
I mean, the hourly on the SPY.
What are you looking at?
Really good.
Spies.
No, I'm talking about myself. I'm sorry. I'm talking about myself. Biggie, can't you see?
Before you said, like, give you a second, I was saying you need to watch that video.
Jesus Christ. What
So
happened
when
to
people
Facebook?
say manipulation and shit like that on AMC, you can understand like exactly why they're saying that.
I agree manipulation. I'm not disagreeing.
Oh, I know you do. I know
But I
you
think
do.
I
You
think
just
it's
don't like to say it without proof.
Yes, and I think what's dangerous is to tell people buying the stock is bad when you have no evidence about the things you're saying. And
But
if you
we do have evidence, bro. And that's the
stock
thing. We just
market's
don't have
bad.
like actual fucking hardcore proof. But there's
The
definitely
stock market's
evidence.
bad. Don't trade it.
Okay, and if we go to the next statement of okay, if it happened with you, so the arguments that it happened with Overstock, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna like where I'm going with this. Okay, so if it happened with Overstock, everyone that bought those positions or whatever, eventually they got paid for all those synthetics that they had, and they got huge payouts, yada yada yada. Now they had to wait a long time, but buying it wasn't necessarily bad. They just had to wait, and guess what happened? They got paid crazy amounts of money. You know what I mean? So it's just like, so telling people that buying is bad, you're this, that, you might have to, if worst case scenario, you wait, worst case scenario, you wait longer, but you get paid more. The end.
Yeah.
Because this is going to be all the more violent and crazy. Just, if we're playing that game. If we're playing the game that's really true. You know what I mean?
Well, I mean, that's why we're in the play in the first place, and I think people need to remember that. We're in this play because
if you go
we
look,
believe that this theory is real.
Yeah, and if you go look at Twitter, like, that's why people are going crazy, is because they're just like, they want it to happen, like, you know.
Now.
Yeah, and a lot of people are newer, and they got back, they jumped in when it was at like $50, and just like, spoiler alert, we've been here since like, we were here like in $7.
Shares. If you guys bought at $50, just be lucky that you bought shares, okay? And you weren't playing
love Pfizer,
options
dude. Oh
the
my
whole
God.
entire time because
At
we
least-
lost a
at
lot
least
of
you're not
money
like that
playing
one
options.
guy
Dude.
that bought $100 weeklies every week.
Dude, some of this music is straight fire. I don't know what is going on. They're playing some
About
good
Riot.
music. I think Bitcoin's gonna bounce back.
Bounce back down?
Hefe,
Or-
whatever
Bounce.
happened to that guy that was like, I got $100 AMC, like fucking, I don't know, long-term calls.
I have no idea. Who? Oh, Lame? Jimmy? Who?
Yeah, he was in here.
Blame Soda over this shit, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
He made like 600 grand.
Fucking God. Holy shit, dude. He almost gave me a heart attack.
Awful, like it was so fun. He went from 70 grand down to like 7K, and then he went all the way to like 600 grand. I was like, oh my god, dude. Congratulations, Broby.
I mean, at that point, you might as well hell. He was like 7.
Nutty.
Oh yeah, what you think
Off of
about Bitcoin?
options.
You said it's gonna bounce up or down.
If you want to buy it, I'd wait till it hits monthly, 2203. So it'll dip.
Right.
I'll probably dip down a little bit. If you want to buy it, I'm not interested in it.
What is it?
Fisker. You didn't even know the Dow. Dow's below. Oh, Riot. I think Riot and then we're gonna fall Bitcoin back up. As long as the index is, Bitcoin's instantly going back up right now. It's going crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What's
about.
Bitcoin at?
58.
59? Is it at 59?
Oh, so it's not even down.
It went down. It dropped down to like 55K. It's already bounced back though.
Oh, dude. So my friend took the shit on Dow.
Just know it's most likely gonna dump again. Or squeeze.
Bitcoin? Oh, hey.
I like BKKT. It's really undervalued right here. Yeah, it's undervalued. AMC bouncy? Bouncy?
Damn.
I want to get Pfizer right now, but I just I think I need to wait. It's in the dip.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It doesn't go. I don't give. I don't.
Tomorrow.
No, it's not.
I think this is the two. On the weekly, it's a big ass green candle on the MACD, but it's red right now.
Fucking countries are fucking doing travel bans again. See,
Who?
man, this summer sucked again. I swear to God.
Who's travel banning?
I don't know, man. Europe's about.
Spoiler alert: no one wants to go to Africa, anyways. I'm just saying, like.
I know Germany is
Spoiler
too.
alert.
Yeah.
The first 4 people to test for Omicron were fully vaccinated. Spoiler alert.
Look, the double bottom of Pfizer on the daily. Yesterday and the day before.
Dude, Omicron's the realest thing since Freddy Krueger.
Well, I mean, I definitely believe that the vaccinated are gonna spread something. So
Yeah, fucking
They're
herpes.
gonna come back in a couple years and be like, whoever got vaccinated, you're fucked. Something's gonna happen to you or something.
Oh no.
Tyler's already spreading something.
That was one time, okay?
Oh look, it's the
only one time.
Dude, Black Friday this year was shitty, man. I feel like this retail stock is gonna take
It was not shitty. Black Friday was pretty solid. It was just with a lot of online sales. It was not that bad.
Still lower than like.
It was lower
next
than
year.
expectations, but well, like they did set crazy expectations. Like 10, I think Adobe set like 7.2 to like 10 bill. I was like, okay, let's have a $2 billion little cap in there and see what happens. What could go wrong? Anyways, it came in at 7.5.
Prices were like, they didn't get discounts on shit, man.
And well, inflation. I think people realize that. People realize though, especially businesses, in my opinion, that even though prices are inflated, people are still going to buy it. There's no point in offering crazy discounts. The only thing the only things that are getting
You don't even need a discount. All you gotta do is go rob the damn store like everybody else.
I think the only things that were getting discounted were softwares, right? Like TradingView, like Bazinga, things like I'm just using things like relative to myself, like Adobe, for instance, like all those, great.
So you know what the crazy thing is? For most of the Amazon stuff, I have a little basically it tracks the trend in the price. The majority of the stuff that said it was like, oh, it's on sale, they actually end up increasing the price like a few weeks ago.
Dow's moving.
And they were just like, oh yeah, it's on sale. It's like, no.
Yep, I saw that shit. Swear I saw something last week for way cheaper.
Dude, Pfizer, oh my god, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Stop going up.
Yeah, a lot of them were cheaper.
It's the George W, bro.
Dude, it looks so good. Look at that 15-minute candle. Oh my.
George W.
Dude, you just don't buy Pfizer middle of the day though. We know this. We know this. I know this.
No, that was a double bottom you were talking about.
Dude, I know you don't buy Pfizer middle of the day. I know this. I've lost so much money buying this in the middle of the day.
I'll buy it with you, bro.
Especially when fucking the SPY can get stopped out right here.
Well, it doesn't. I don't think the SPY really will affect it that much, which is crazy.
I mean, if the SPY drops,
How much are those
then
contracts
Nasdaq's gonna drop.
They're okay. The contracts aren't even moving, even though the price is going up. They're at $1.20 right now. You're gonna need a squeeze, a big squeeze.
So
Man.
you think the Nasdaq is more of an indicator of the overall market than the SPY is?
It depends.
'Cause I thought
So it depends. So like when we were going fully parabolic like a few months ago, the Nasdaq is what I like the most. But now the SPY is following the Dow specifically. It's like
So I
literally.
thought the
So right now the
Nasdaq-
Dow, like for instance, the Dow's hitting the weekly. Dow gets rejected. I put money. The SPY gets rejected.
Well, isn't
They have the
so
same. They have
Dow's
the same weekly.
industrial, correct? Like car companies and stuff like that.
Kind of. So CRM is in the Dow too, though, like Salesforce, which is.
And then
So they're
Nasdaq
similar.
is your like
Oh, yeah.
technology,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, but there's not all industrials in the Dow. Like CRM, like that's what I was saying. It's like kind of like a random company. That's it.
How
You'll
about
see more
Nasdaq?
growth
though? The Nasdaq is
It's like tech.
technology, right?
Tech, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, more growth stocks.
And then the SPY is retail.
It's my boom 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 boom.
I think the SPY is just gonna pop it. It's gonna pop it.
Watch Dow. So you gotta watch. SPY's gonna hit this weekly, but if Dow can get above the weekly, you're sitting golden. You're a golden goose. But Dow, you're just hitting your weekly right now, and you're going into lunch. I'm gonna tell you right now.
think
You want me
the
to tell you
Dow-
what's gonna happen? Let me tell you what's gonna happen. You're going into lunch. You're gonna hit your weekly right now. You're gonna get pushed down a little bit, and you might come out of lunch. If you're gonna continue, you're gonna push after, in my opinion.
Oh, for sure. I see it
That's what I
coming
think is
down
happening.
again. Yeah.
I could be wrong. Could be wrong.
They all look the same. The SPY, the Dow, the Nasdaq. They all are in a.
QQQ about to hit 4, honey.
Yeah, it comes back down one more time, and then the next one is gonna be
GGPI getting hit, man. That might come down. If that comes down, I think that's a juicy buy. I think Lucid's gonna go, dude. Lucid, and you can. What do you think about Lucid, Elon? I don't think they've covered those $55 call options yet. Wait 1 sec. I gotta turn this music off real quick. What'd you say?
I did not see Lucid hitting over 50 again. I did not see that.
Dude, look at the chart. They don't go down.
I
Higher lows every single day. The contracts are
fucking
kind of.
bought 16, 19.
I mean, I can't
23.
complain. I made a lot of money off of them, but it could have been more.
I blame Zip Trader for calling 43.
Dude, yeah.
What
dude.
I just don't-
Fuck
what I
that
don't
guy,
get is how
dude.
is Neo still so
Fuck,
low? What's up
fuck
with Neo?
that shit. That shit pissed me. Dude, Neo is actually a great company. That's the crazy part. They're bringing in so much money.
Yeah,
It's because they're
exactly.
Chinese though. That's why.
They're actually selling shit, and it doesn't make any sense.
I know, and they're moving in, and they're opening up their battery stations too, like in Norway. I think they just talked about that. That's really big, actually. These aren't worth buying though. These Lucids, they're not. They're just too expensive. They're not gonna move.
Yeah, I think we should be good from here on out because I think the loss harvesting is done. Everybody that wanted to sell everything to capture their losses for tax season, it's done.
Like maybe you buy these $70 strikes for January 21st on Lucid. Those are the only ones that like have like moderate open interest that are halfway decent. But like
They come out with some shitty news, we're fucked. Whenever shitty news happens, that thing tanks.
Lucid's getting in my opinion, it's a gamma squeeze at this point. Go look at those December 17th calls. I mean that's it. I mean that was actually. Wait.
He's popping off right now.
Wait. Oh yeah, there's tons. There's weeklies at 55s this week. Yeah.
Roblox is popping.
Roblox.
Bro, Apple finna break.
Roblox
Is the
is the best
SPY
stock in
gonna
the
do
market.
it, boys? Let's see.
It just
Look
didn't
at
want
Zom, man.
that
Look
lunch
at
low,
Zom.
bro. It said fuck a lunch low.
Okay, Dow's hitting the weekly right now.
SPY's
Nasdaq
hitting the top of
trying
the
to break
channel.
too.
Yeah, the top of the channel. You right? Yes, sir.
46.4 flat. Let's
Come on,
see
here we go,
if this
here we
is
go, here we go,
legit.
here we
We'll
go.
probably go to BWAP then.
Either that or we come back down again.
Never mind,
like
that's not BWAP.
Tyler was
Sorry.
saying.
Please.
Technically, lunch starts in like 20 minutes, but yeah.
All right. Made everything back from yesterday's loss.
Like 40
Nice.
minutes.
Stonks.
Good shit.
Noon.
Stonks.
Who eats at 11:30, bro?
I gambled on a Myrna weekly call overnight. That was stupid.
What happened to it?
They came out with, they got fucking destroyed. They came out with bad news. Yeah.
Oh yeah, everybody's roasting. Now we speeding up the west side. Damn, this is creeping up a left side. I'm ready to do it. Ready to bone. Ready for dome. 50.
They lose an appeal for board ruling on a patent.
Yeah, they were actually sitting the best too. I was the only one doing okay.
Ford looks really good too, man. Holy shit. Wow.
Yeah, I grabbed those.
Ford looks really good. Yeah, I think oil's a giant bull flag right now. Wow. Dallas getting I'm cutting the YouTube stream off.